All right, turning now to the ongoing flood recovery in Waverly. Several local companies are stepping up with donations, supplies, and other resources to help the community rebuild.
All right, so Julia Palazzo will join us here from Waverly this morning with more information. There's also a vigil planned tonight to remember these 20 victims.
Over the last week, we have seen firsthand how close this community is, which is why the community is gathering here on the front lawn of the courthouse in the downtown Waverly area. And that's really an opportunity for people to embrace each other and support each other through this. And we also spoke with the Chemours Company. Their plant has been in Humphreys County for 65 years, just another lending a helping hand during all of this. The flood hits home as several employees lost everything and somewhat above and beyond. And you may have seen this video on social media of two brothers riding around on jet skis to rescue people from the flood water, and that was actually a company employee. Both of them saved dozens of people. The company immediately donated $100,000 to relief efforts. We spoke with Mark Smith, the company's VP of Operations. He was so happy to see his team step up with search and rescue efforts. Here's some video of damage that they have encountered and have gone all over town to help, setting up shelters, providing food and clothing. Humphreys County is their home, so they never hesitated.
This is the least we can do. I was happy that our team was able to jump on this starting Saturday morning, first thing, thinking ahead, thinking through the logistics of getting cash in the hands of these local charities and churches that are meeting people. So if we can't personally meet people's needs, I'm just so happy we were able to get just a little bit of cash infused. And this community is going to need a lot more of that.
Absolutely. And the vigil starts at 7 o'clock tonight. The mayor here in Waverly, the sheriff, several community members will be here. You are more than welcome to attend, and there will also be food, barbecue available. Reporting live in Waverly, Julia Palazzo, News 2.